Good morning, my dear children. Let's begin our class with a new topic, the Chinese civilization. Have you read the newspaper daily? Nowadays, we know that there is a crisis between India and China. Do you know what is it? Read the newspaper daily. Okay. Then we can come to our lesson. It is believed that Chinese civilization started from BC 1700 onwards. This civilization flourished on the banks of the river Huanghe. Huanghe നദി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ റിവറിൻ്റെ തീരത്തിലായിരുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ like the Mesopotamian and Egyptian civilization, the society was divided into 4 stratas. In the top, there was king. He was equal to God. The priest and the officers formed the second layer, and the peasants formed the third, and the bottom, the slaves. It was the social strata during that time. It is because of the fertility of the soil. Their occupation also was, main occupation was agricultural. For agricultural purposes, they used cattle, and they also started irrigation facilities. They stored water, and through canals they utilize the water for the agriculture. Okay, in the last classes we studied about the Harappans. They followed the pictographic script, and Egyptians hieroglyphics, and Mesopotamians cuneiform script. Here the Chinese also used a pictographic script. Later it changed into a ideographic script. Like the Mesopotamian and the Egyptian civilizations, the Chinese also formulated a calendar in which a year consisted of 365 1/2 days. Okay, it is because of the prosperity in agricultural sector. They were engaged in internal and external trade. Coins were made during that time. It may be for the trade purposes. They used cattle for agriculture, ploughing their fields, and also they used the ships for trade. They constructed ships, small ships or boats for trade purposes. Then they used the bronze vessels. There were evidences shows that they were aware of the bronze vessels. They were aware of potter's wheel, and their pots are or pottery works are famous in whole world. And their silk, Chinese silk was also very famous. നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ചീനച്ചട്ടി, ചീനഭരണി, ചൈനീസ് സിൽക്ക്, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ കാലത്ത് നമുക്കറിയാം, ഇപ്പോൾ പത്രം വായിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്കറിയാം മിക്കവാറും എല്ലാ പ്രൊഡക്ട്സും ആരുടെയാണിതോ ഇപ്പോഴുള്ളത് എന്താണ്, ചൈനക്കാരുടെ ആയിരുന്നു അല്ലേ. അപ്പം on the past or at the time of the civilizations also they were aware of this one. They were aware of weaving and spinning. They made clothes. Then they had trade relations with the Mediterranean cities through the land and sea. Okay, then their neighboring place was Mongolia. There lived the tribal people. It is because of the invasions by the Mongolia or Mongols, this civilization was destroyed or declined. Okay, these were some important features of the Chinese civilization. If you have any doubt, call me. Okay. Please write the notes in your notebook. I hope all of you are, every day you will write, I know. Okay. 8th B class students, if you have any doubt, please call me. Okay.